In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Roblox with a QR code, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going onto roblox.com/login, and since I'm already logged into this account, if I wanted to log in with a QR code, I could use my phone to log in. So you're going to click on use another device and it'll open this QR code and code. There's two options. So if you want to scan the QR code, you're going to open your device and you can click on it using your device's camera. Now you're going to have the Roblox app, and that's really all there is to it to log in on another device. You could do this on an iPad, a tablet, or your iPhone. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.